everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from StampWithShar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a great tip to share with you today. For those of you that are new to StazOn, Stampin' Up! Has recently bought the StazOn Ink back. And if you notice my ink pads I have here, these are a little different compared to this. And so I wanted to show you with regards to the StazOn Ink. There is a plastic cover that comes with it, and on there it says do not discard. So don't throw this away. We actually need this when you're working and you have a bunch of ink pads open. With the StazOn, you don't really want to have the ink pad open for too long because this is a fast drying ink. So my tip for today, you guys, so that you don't lose this or throw this away, is to take glue dots. Now, I have seen other demonstrators using Stampin' Dimensionals, and they put one over here and one over there. But for me, that little white marks would drive me crazy. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your glue dots and you are going to add the glue dots to all four of your corners. And pretty much what this is going to do is it's going to keep this where it needs to be. Now, I do recommend when purchasing an ink pad that you buy the refill. And the reason is, a lot of the times when you're working on a project, especially with the StazOn, the ink dries so quick. So you always want to have a nice juicy ink pad. So by buying this, it's great because you're able to always have a nice juicy pad. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put this on there, give it a nice good press, remove it, and then I'm going to press down on here just to make sure it's stuck. And that way I'm not going to lose this or throw this away by mistake. So I hope you found today's tip useful. Another tip about these ink pads is we never want to store them like this. We always want to store them upside down. That way the ink stays at the surface of the pad. So I always store them like that. These ones you don't have to because the pad is already upside down. So I hope you found today's tip useful. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you won't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of the products I used today, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a description with details over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. If you do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator that you order from, I would love to be your demonstrator. So I hope you'll head on over to my website. I hope everybody has a wonderful and safe weekend, and we will see you back here on Monday. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.